Taking care of environment is not the responsibility of any particular society or some group of people. It is the responsibility of each person living on this earth. Being a human being, we all do few good things for our home in different aspects. But in between cleaning and making our homes, we all forget there is one more home which needs to be cleaned and hygienic. Yes, you get that right. Our mother, our land, our first home, our earth. In midst of everything, we have forgotten our responsibilities to earth and have destroyed it. Have you ever thought who the biggest enemies of our earth are? Well, there are lots, but one of the most powerful is the plastic. We can't blame every plastic for harm because it has given us various things that cannot be replaced, like safe way to transport our needed items, protects from rain, and many more. Our earth is scared of pollution, and especially the pollution spread by plastic bottles. To spread awareness against plastic pollution, various campaigns were started, but it left only 5% of the result. In order to control this pollution, a high-risk step was needed. Various companies took that step, and so us too. We at Ganesha Ecosphere are taking responsibility of creating a place for happiness of earth. We collect the plastic bottles from rag pickers, balers, kabadis and other people who are doing this to find out a way of earning money. These poor people generally collect the plastic waste from all over the area, from dumpsters to public garbage boxes nearby to river ponds, lakes and other places where we generally can find this waste. These plastic bottles are generally known as PET waste. This PET waste is processed and converted into various products so as to decrease the waste and increase the employment. Before going further, first let's check how are we getting from these plastic things. We have large plants to process these plastic that we collect from all over the world. These bottles are crushed into small particles first. Mostly our plastic bottles have colored LEDs and stickers in them. So to remove these unwanted substances, these crushed elements are moved to chemical bath which leaves piles of crystal clear plastic. After this, plastic is moved to white color in order to give it an equal texture. Now we have got plastic broken down and mixed with white color. But it is really hard to recast them into bits and pieces. To reconcile, another step is needed where the mixture is sent through this rotating tool where it is heated up to 270 degrees Celsius. Now, this melting plastic is converted into threads and yarn which is sent to fabric industry for further processes. As you know, for every high-risk project, a huge investment is planned. We invite you to be a part of our family as investors and share both profit and happiness on creating this earth a better place to live. These big plants have lots of operating hands but very less helping hands. But we have observed these helping hands are increasing day by day as profits are increasing. The aim is not for the social sector to act more like business. It is a disciplined approach already used and understood by those who invest financially in a business. The hope is that by adopting this service, our organization can build confidence with new audience in their capacity to make a positive impact together. Degrading plastic products and converting them into next useful things has marked it high on industry and standards. As they are not only helping environment but also helping the poor class of our society in earning their livelihood. Profit lays where the risk lies, and the risk lies where a new journey starts.